Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. Big shout out to our notification gang. Thank you so much for your continuous love and support. Thank you. In today's video, I'm just going to be going over a quick little, I guess it's another big sister thing to do. A quick little just making sure that we're on the right page and making sure that we're doing the right thing. I know it's not really the new year. This video should have been like the first week of January, but I had so much stuff that I needed to get done and I wanted to get all the other stuff out of the way before I put this, you know, so better late than never anyway. So if you haven't done it anyway, then this video is timely for you, so it works out well. And this video is about I guess New Year's resolutions, but not really New Year's resolutions, New Year's planning for your life, planning for your new year. I've got here books on books on books, journals on journals on journals. What are they for, Tatenda? Well, thank you for asking. One, planner. Tip number one, get a planner. If you don't have a planner, you can't afford a planner, get a book. So you see, so fresh, so clean, new, starting, haven't really done anything in it, but ready to go, ready for me to put in my New Year's resolutions, my prayer items, my gratitude list, checklist, as well as, you know, plans for YouTube, plans for career, plans for relationship, plans for a lot of things. I write it all down in here. So it's important for you to have a planner. I always recommend you to get a planner at the beginning of the year. I never used to get it. I only started doing my planner like 3-4 years ago, and it's changed my life. Changed it for the better. Get yourself a book or a planner, whatever it is that you want to do, and plan out your lives, plan out your day, especially if you're in uni, especially if you're working, especially if you're working. If you're working, it's hard. Time management is like, you have to be like, because after work you have no time. If you're working full time, like there goes all your time goes into work. So for me, like planning, working full time, doing YouTube, making sure there's a video up, you know, all that stuff, it required me to be like on top of the game, and I struggled for a little bit. That's why you weren't getting any content, but we're back and we're better. So if you don't see me posting content for a while, just like DM me, be like, hey, you know, when's the next video coming up? It encourages me to be like, do better, Tatenda, do better, Tatenda. Anyway, that's beside the point. A planner. And in your planner or in your book, you want to do your New Year's resolutions. What you want for this year. What you want to do for this year. What are the things that you want to get done this year? Do you want to buy a car? Do you want to buy a new phone? Do you want to help your parents with the bills? Do you want to have a wedding? Do you want to have your rota? Do you want to draw deeper into God and and get a confirmation with God for your life? Whatever it is, do that. Then have your prayer journal. I have this one. I've had this for quite a while, and FARAI has a matching one to me as well, even though he broke the little, he broke it, but anyway, what can you do? But this one is for me and him. This is our prayer journal for as a couple. He has one, I have one. We have a lot of things in there. That's not really important, but we have, you know, we have declarations in there. We have letters that we've written each other for our relationship and things like that. We have our don't touch me's. If you want me to go deeper into that, I can. We have our don't touch me's that he's written and that I've written as well. And then also we have our prayer list 2021. We have 2020. We have, you know, when we've done fasting and praying throughout the year, fasting and praying, when we've done other things, when, you know, counseling, written down counseling, you know, when we've done other things throughout, just having a prayer journal. Obviously, as this one is for me and FARAI, So this is our couple one, but I also have my own prayer journal. So it's important for you to have a prayer journal. I'm just showing this one because this one has more oomph to it than the other one, because I recently started a new book with that one. So just having that prayer journal where you can write down what God is saying to you, what prophecies you have heard, what dreams you have had, what your prayers are, so you can document some of these things, you know. I also have my own prayer prophecy book, which is freshly new. It's not new, I do write in it, but which has got prayers and prophecies, and I have ones that I had to find all the way from 2010, 2016, you know, 2020, and there's some in this one as well that are meant to be in here that I'll transfer at some point. But just having that a prayer book where you can monitor what God is saying in your life is very, very important, because 2020 was a roller coaster of a year. This year we need to be prepared for whatever is going to be coming, and whatever is coming down our sleeve. Let's prepare. Let's hear what the Lord has to say. Write your stuff, write your notes, write your declarations, write your prayer list, write whatever it is. Write what you want God to do for you this year. Regardless of whatever comes this year, He's still going to do what you have written down and what you have asked for Him to do. So long as you seek Him, He will answer you. That's all, guys. That's all I wanted to share with you guys. I hope you guys have liked this video. Make sure to comment down below your thoughts and like if you like the video, and I'll see you guys next week. I love you guys so much.